Hello guys and hi everyone, this is Chayan here and welcome to the product TubeStorm. Okay, so firstly I am apologizing you that it is raining outside, that is why the background noise will be coming maybe, and try to bear with the noise. Okay, so inside this video I will try to clear you this product, but I will clear you that is this tool worthy or not. Okay, basically I am confused how it works. Let me show you the tool firstly, then I will clear you the bonuses and my recommendation or what is my word about this tool. Okay, so inside this tool what you can do, that if you let me just show you the fundamental principle of this tool. If I search on affiliate marketing or any other topic like phishing, if I just type phishing, okay, so inside YouTube there are so many videos inside filter section. You can see here that comes from the Creative Commons. Okay, sorry, Creative Commons. So if you click on Creative Commons, there will be some videos that comes by default. Those videos are totally free, totally free for editing and anything like commercial purpose. You can use them, the Creative Commons videos, and you can take the videos for your any of your uses, any of your purposes. So in this tool you can do the same thing via using this tool. You can do the same thing, and the next thing additionally you can do that you can find out keyword. Like keyword finder is not a very big thing, I think. Like you can use the Google Keyword Planner, or there are so many tools like Ubersuggest or so many tools. They can find you the keyword Ahrefs, and that is the thing. So I don't think that this tool is worthy to buy inside $17 and $17.50, $17.45. Okay, so I don't know how one can get traffic with this tool. Like it is written here how we get unlimited free buyer traffic from Google, YouTube inside 43 seconds. I don't know how they do it, but the thing is, once you have started using it, you will be seeing that the video are taken inside this tool, or the video are captured inside this tool is totally from Creative Commons using the filters Creative Commons, and that is the thing. Inside the template manager, if I want to show you if something reveals or if something new comes, I want to show you. So some templates can be created previously for quick use, like the commenting template, like reply template, and your channel need to be integrated to get the videos, and that is the thing. I think this is not recommended by me anyway. Okay, so I have written here it's not recommended by me, but if you insist to buy, if you wanna get the tool, then you can get it with my bonuses, and that is why I am leaving the page of this link inside the description. But I do not recommend it because I can't see a clear path to get traffic using this tool basically. Okay, so they are claiming you about the traffic, but I can't see a clear path. Like videos are good, traffic is also good. Inside 1 week a Creative Commons video is getting 67k views. That means every day it is getting 10k views. That is a huge traffic. You can use this same video, but how you can use it, I don't know how you can use it. You can use it, you need to re-upload it inside YouTube or whatever. I don't know how you can use it to get the traffic. Okay, basically it will find you, this tool will find you the Creative Commons videos, and the link will maybe the link masking or link rotation, and that is the thing I think inside this tool. And if you want to know more, if you don't believe me, you can play the demo video here given here. The demo video is also a big video, more than like close to 9 minutes video. You can play this video. It is also available in high quality. Okay, so that is the thing. If you don't believe me, you can play the demo video. And after using this tool, I came to this result that it is not recommended by me, and I have told you. Okay, so let me now show you the bonuses. If you just by chance you want to purchase it, so these bonuses will comes by default with the front end product, total 30 bonuses, and if you purchase any of the upsells, you will be given the 400 plus bonuses, the mega bonus. You can click on the description link, and then you can check out this page, and from this page if you click on the buttons given inside it, you will be redirected to this sales page, and from this sales page you can get the tool within this price, though the price is very cheap, but I think it also doesn't deserve that price. Okay, Okay, so that is the thing, and some bonuses are also available as vendor bonus. I have mentioned here, these are the bonuses that comes by default with this product, these 3 bonuses, and that is the thing. Some bonuses are also available with the pack. Okay, with the main pack, with the front end pack. So bonus 1 2 3 4 5 3 4 4 bonuses, total 7 bonuses comes by default with you with this product. So I am thanking you if you are watching this, if you are still hearing me, that is very much for me, and have a good day. I'm thanking you again. Bye bye.